So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if service host is consuming a lot of CPU on your system. Now, in order to fix that, simply open the task manager. You can easily open the task manager by right clicking on the taskbar or simply open it from the start menu. You can easily find it right there. Now, let me quickly open the task manager. Now, in the task manager, you simply need to go find the scroll down until you see this option of either you'll find the option of system services or anything, or you can simply find all the service hosts here also. Now, in order to check with which service host is consuming a lot of CPU, simply find it from the CPU section. And for example, let's say this service host is consuming a lot of CPU. So just simply end task it. Simply right click over there and hit end task. What it does is simply restarts that particular service. So it will not crash anything, but simply restart it, and that's definitely gonna solve your issue. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.